Hey guys, I want to show you this little corner of mine. I think of it as color block gardening. You guys know I am just crazy about container gardening, and this area is a really fun place to work with. It's right off of the studio outside of my house. And what I've done is just basically taken a color palette and just gone crazy with it. So I have lots of plants, shrubs, a few flowers, but mostly foliage that are all in that kind of chartreuse range. Most of them are southern living plants. So let me kind of point out what I did, what plants I used, and how it kind of all came together. I think it looks really beautiful. So this area always has a combination of different kinds of planters, and they usually stay in these same pots. It's a combo of mostly concrete and some galvanized metal. So I started out with just these variegated golden abelias. This is a kaleidoscope. This is a Miss Lemon that I've kind of pruned up a little bit in something of a topiary form. Here is this pancake arborvitae, this blue sweet arborvitae that I've trimmed real nicely, a baby gem boxwood. And then what's really fun is these came together. Oh, and I've got an Oakland holly here. But what's fun is these all came together because I planted 3 galvanized buckets not long ago. I did a video on that too, of plants that are purple and chartreuse. This is Laura Petalum from the Southern Living Plant Collection. This is Everillo Carex. I put in some Alabama Sunrise, Heucherella, and then I just added some little violas in the same color palette. I'll change out this seasonal color as it starts getting hot, since these violas don't like the hot weather. But it kind of all comes together in this beautiful kind of color block triangle of chartreusey plants. I think it's fun, it's effective, it's flexible. I can move things and components in and out as the sun changes and the heat rises. So you guys might want to try this, do a little bit of color block gardening in your own garden beds.